friends, today we make fried goat cheese with honey, and this recipe uses no flour, egg or breading. Sounds good? Let's get to it. Start by slicing up your goat cheese. You can use any variety of goat cheese here, so the shape doesn't really matter. Ensure to cut the cheese in uniform thickness, about half an inch or approximately 1.25 centimeters. For easier cutting, I like to dip my knife in hot water. You can also use some cheese wire. For frying, you want to go for farm-aged goat cheese rather than the soft, fresh varieties. Next, you want to heat up a non-stick skillet or pan over medium to low heat. Place the goat cheese slices on top and do not add any oil. While the bottom part is frying, you're going to top the top part with honey. You can also use maple syrup or brown sugar here. Working quickly, add some chopped herbs. I used rosemary and thyme. You can use what you prefer. Carefully and quickly flip to cook the top part. The cheese only needs 30 seconds to a minute to get crispy, but obviously this will depend on the heat of your stove. Once the top part is caramelized, use a spatula, which I should have, to transfer the goat cheese to a plate. Once fried, you can top the goat cheese with some more honey if you prefer, and freshly chopped rosemary and thyme. Serve and enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.